Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can change a regional format in your Windows 11 easily. So in here, you can just go to the settings on your PC, click on the Windows or Start button in here, go to settings, and on the left panel, you can just go to the time and language. You'll see these options, language and region. And here there will be this region section. You can just here change the country or region by clicking on this drop down, or you can also go to the regional format in here. So the current setting is recommended, so you can actually choose the regional format in here. So after you are done choosing or change the region, it will automatically be saved, so you don't need to save anything. You can just close this window and the changes will be saved automatically. So follow the simple step that I showed you before to get your Windows 11 desktop looking and functioning perfectly. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit on the like button, click on the thanks, and I'll see you all in the next tutorial. Bye!